Hey guys, we're here with Aftershoot right now, and in case you aren't familiar with what it is, let me walk you through this. Aftershoot is an AI calling and editing service. All we do is make your life easy here at Aftershoot. From a drop calling service that figures out how you want your images, how you shoot, and how intentionally you shoot, to processing through a custom profile of editing to all those beautiful final touches in the image, down to skin retouching, doing all of those little tiny details in your photos. How Aftershoot works with our small scale photographers like me as a newborn photographer to our high volume sports, wedding, and event photographers. This program is made for absolutely every single type of photographer. So stop in at the booth and let's talk about it. Let's talk about people who produce 300 images a session to 6,000 images a session and everything in between. So a little bit about our features here at Aftershoot. So when we're talking about calling, things that are very specific to our program are finding your specific category. And the program is designed to understand a few intentional key features, such as newborn photography. We're going to recognize closed eyes. We're going to recognize those soft little features, to wedding photography and capturing all those intentional blur moments and all those things through our calling process, into our editing features. So when you come into our editing features, you get a few major options. 3 of my favorite. You can train your own profile down to the single detail of contrast highlights, all of those fun things. Or you can re-edit 2,500 photos with our system through Lightroom. So that's kind of our easy. To shopping on our marketplace and using one of our amazing creators already ready to made profiles here at Aftershoot. You can even try them for free. One of my favorite new features with Aftershoot is we just dropped retouching not too long ago. You may have heard about this. We started out as a baby little retouching feature and letting everyone get their hands on it and give us feedback on it. And it is now developed into this incredible program that pays the smallest attention to detail. The skin retouching, the wrinkle releases, the hair lines, the eyes, the sharpening, every last detail is custom made for you.